Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of August, 2024, our system has designated Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.44. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.79%. This equates to an average return of 0.08% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further growth ahead. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of nearly 12% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from approximately 6% to 23%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it anticipates a change of nearly 20% over the next year, with possible returns between -5% and nearly 27%. This results in a projected price range of approximately $215 to $288 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline: Apple stock price down approximately 0.675% on Wednesday. The Apple stock price declined by approximately 0.675% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, falling from $228.03 to $226.49. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.85%, reaching a low of $225.68 and a high of $229.85. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 2.15% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 5 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the risk could slightly increase in the coming days. In total, 38 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $8.55 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $237.23, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price is 4.53%, or $10.74, below the 52-week high of $237.23, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. Apple recently made headlines for cutting approximately 100 jobs within its digital services group, signaling a shift in corporate priorities. This marks the 4th round of layoffs for the company this year, particularly affecting the Apple News and Apple Books segments. Such moves may concern investors, as they could indicate internal challenges or strategic realignments. In the short term, this news could lead to volatility in Apple's stock price, as market reactions to layoffs often cause uncertainty. On a broader scale, Apple not only joined Berkshire Hathaway in reaching $1 trillion market capitalization, but is also seeing increased attention from investment firms like Daniel Loeb's Third Point hedge fund, which is betting on Apple's potential in artificial intelligence. This could attract more investments, positively influencing stock performance in the long term, especially as public interest in artificial intelligence continues to surge. Additionally, Apple's recent adjustments in its streaming strategy highlight a growing trend among companies to reevaluate costs amidst a competitive landscape. As Apple tightens its budget, it could enhance profitability and subsequently appeal to investors looking for more disciplined spending strategies. These developments may seem mixed in the immediate sense, as layoffs can point to underlying issues, yet they also showcase Apple's responsiveness to market conditions and investor pressures. As these narratives unfold, they will be crucial for shaping expectations and actions regarding Apple's stock in both the near and distant future. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, it was reported that Tigris Financial awarded Apple Inc. a strong buy rating alongside a hold action. On Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, CFRA assigned Apple Inc. a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, Wedbush rated Apple Inc. as outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, Evercore ISI also rated Apple Inc. as outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, Morgan Stanley classified Apple Inc. with an overweight rating and a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and rate the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts classify the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average, while simultaneously indicating a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this generates an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $226.57. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $222.40. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas a breakdown below the long-term average will signal a sell. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, August 6th, 2024. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. Notably, trading volume increased amidst falling prices yesterday. This could serve as an early warning, indicating that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 82 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 70 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $213.07 and $207.49. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $213.07. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $207.49 and $207.15. This stock exhibits average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $4.17 between its high and low, representing 1.85%. For the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.77%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is fairly typical, often seen in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 7th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.59. It is essential to pay attention to these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $227.57. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $213.07. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from numerous analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of August, 2024, Chris Kondo executed an insider sale of 8,706 shares of common stock. On the 9th of August, 2024, Chris Kondo executed an insider sale of 5,178 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams executed an insider sale of 97,600 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams executed an insider sale of 2,400 shares of common stock. On the 7th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams executed an insider sale of 4,500 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 33.678. In total, insiders purchased 1,401,454 shares and sold 2,716,460 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.32, which represents a decrease of 5%. We are unable to calculate the value at this moment. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a good chance for Apple stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 29th of August, we anticipate Apple will open up 85 cents and begin trading at $227.34. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.